Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be taking a look at Harbor Freight's early Black Friday deals. These are going to be going through 11/26. So if you guys have experience with any of these, please let me know down in the comments for other viewers as well. But some of these are good deals. Some of them are, it is what it is. So first up, we have the automotive plastic fastener kit. This is 240 pieces. These are always handy to have on hand. I deal a lot with trim panels and stuff like that. So having kits like this for me, it's amazing to have on hand. This is down to $13 from $18, so 27% savings. Then we have the peg style socket trays. This is the 3-piece set. They're available in 4 different colors. This is down to $18 from $25, so 28% off. That's a good price. I do believe that these used to be around that $18 price though. But I mean, it's better than paying what the price is today. So if you guys remember what the price was in the past, please let me know. Next up, we have the Vanguard 50-foot extension cord. This is an indoor-outdoor at $20, down from $23, so it's an okay amount of savings, not great. Next up, we have the half-inch drive impact socket set from Pittsburgh. This is the 13-piece set, down to $17 from $20, so 15% savings on that. That's not a bad deal. And these Pittsburgh sockets, while they're, your thicker impact sockets, they can actually take quite a beating. I know a lot of people that use these on a regular basis, and they get abused. And, I mean, any issues, you got a lifetime warranty. Next up, we got the Bauer 7-amp 4.5-inch angle grinder at $27, down from $30, so not very good savings on that. We got their all-purpose weather-resistant tarp on sale, 26% off, down from $3 to $2.19. We have the Merlin 3/8 rubber hose, down to $20 from $25, so some decent savings on there. Next up, we have the Hardy pigskin leather work gloves at $4.50, down from $6, so some good savings on those work gloves. The Warrior 3-piece step bit set at $9, down from $14, 35% off. These step bits are actually pretty good. They're super cheap step bits, but I tell you what, I've owned quite a few of them over the last 10 years, and it's still a great bang for your buck step bit. Next up, we got the Pittsburgh flex head ratcheting wrench set. This is a 5-piece set, down to $22 from $30, so 26% savings on there. If you're just weekend warrior DIYer that needs something cheap around, ratcheting wrenches are handy to have. Flex heads are great to have as well. And also, if you need maybe some wrenches that you got to do something custom with, buying the Pittsburgh ones are always a great option. You don't hurt yourself having to cut them up or grind them or whatnot. And $22, that's some good savings. Next up, we got the 15-pound capacity extendable magnetic pickup tool at $4, down from $5, 20% savings on there. We got the Warrior titanium hex shank drill bit set. This is a 13-piece set, down to $6. It's a smaller set, but it's down to $6 from $7. Not very good savings on that, but 25% savings on the Yukon clear bins. I use these a lot for different detailing products that I use. I keep everything organized with those. There's some decent little storage bins at $3, 25% off. The Voyager 12-inch tool bag, 21 pockets, $5, down from $8, so some good savings on that. It is a cheaper little tool bag, but another tarp down to $6 from $7. Full coverage protective suit, $8, down from $11, so some good savings on there, 27% off. Then we have the Quinn premium screwdriver set, 15-piece set, $22, down from $28. Already priced really good at $28. I think Quinn's got a lot of really good products out there for the price. I think this is a great deal, 21% off. Then we got the Warrior 6-inch and 9-inch general purpose bimetal reciprocating saw blades. It's a 15-piece set at $12, down from $15, so 20% savings on those blades. Then we have the Vulcan professional MIG welding gloves at $19, down from $24, so some good savings on that. Plastic drop cloth down from $2 to $1, so half off on that. Then we have Icon's Impact socket adapter. This is a 4-piece set at $20, down from $33, so some really good savings on that. $40. I think $20 is probably what it should be anyways, but some good savings off of the original price. Then we have the ammo box at $8, down from $9, not very good savings on that. Same thing with the Gordon machete serrated blade, down to $6 from $7, not very good savings on that. 50% off the micro spring clamps, down to $1. Then we got the Bauer carbide router bit set, 15-piece set, down to $33 from $38, so it's okay. Then we have the kneeling pad at $5 down from $7. I mean, it's probably not the best quality kneeling pad in the world, but I think I just picked one up for something like 25 or 30 bucks. So, I mean, this is quite a bit cheaper. It might be worth actually trying out. None of them last forever, I can tell you that. Then we got the Warrior Rotary Accessory Toolkit down to $15 from $19. I will say, never had good experience with off-brand or, cheaper rotary kits like this. Then we got another Quinn product, 3/4 inch extendable ratchet. I knew they had extendable ratchets, but I don't know if I knew about the 3/4 inch. That's a big boy to be an extendable design. Down to $61 from $70, so not the greatest amount of savings, but 3/4 inch stuff already is not cheap. 5.3 amp hour belt sander from Bauer, $45 down from $55, so some decent savings on that. That is a corded tool. Air blow gun with extensions, 5-piece set from Merlin, down to $7 from $9, so 22% savings on there. 12-inch zipper utility pouch down to $2 from $3, 33% savings. Got another Icon product, the 2100 lumen rechargeable LED underhood work light. This is 77-inch extendable. You got rotating 360 degrees. You got a light that actually removes. Really nice little setup. Very similar to my Gear Wrench one. This one runs $70 down from $90. So some good savings on there. And it's already amazing that we can find quality underhood work lights for under $100 nowadays. Next up, you got the Pittsburgh tool set, 60-piece set. This is more for, keeping a junk drawer in the house, around the house, or, something like that. Very, very cheap stuff, but, kind of your bare minimum stuff. At $20, it's 20% off. Dual head air chuck, inflator gauge, 2-piece set, $11 down from $13, 15% savings. These 12-inch rationing bar clamps, $4.50 down from $5. Not great savings, not a great product. I've had a handful of them in the past, and they all just stop ratcheting. The Franklin moving blanket, $4 down from $5. Some good savings on there, 20%. A Doyle product. We got the 9.5-inch wire crimping tools. This is down to $15 from $17, so not the greatest amount of savings, but Doyle does also have some good stuff as well at an already good price. Chicago Electric premium welding gloves at $6 down from $7, so not a great deal on that either. The 18-inch long neck funnel, $2 down from $4.30. So 53% savings on that. That's a handy little one. Trans filling, when you got to reach down into a really tight area, long funnels like this, they are extremely handy. Next up, we got the 3-inch C-clamp, $3.30 down from $4, 17% savings on there. The Union 0.19 cubic foot electronic digital safe, $25 down from $28, so not great savings on that. Then we got the Pittsburgh 4-inch C-clamp at $4 down from $4.80, 16% savings. Some reflective strips, 10-pack, $4.50, 25% off. These trim and molding tools are actually pretty dang handy to have around, even if it's a cheap set. Some pretty good savings on that, 38% off down to $5.50. Carpenter's pencil at 50 cents down from 70 cents, 28% savings on that. Then we got the foldable earmuffs, $6, 14% off, not a great deal. $2 for this very cheap torpedo level with the magnetic strip. Then we got the Hercules and Bauer, you can see here, the Hercules 2 amp hour and the Bauer 3 amp hour batteries on sale. 33% off of the Hercules down to $30 and 16% off the Bauer down to $50 from $60. So a couple decent deals on here. Nothing, out of this world, but some decent ones. And then also keep in mind they got a lot of other deals going on. We're going to be going over the ITC deals here as well. Just released some new ones. So let me know your guys' thoughts. Or if you guys own any of these, your experiences with them, whether it's good or bad. It's always helpful for others that may be purchasing it. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.